Let us see the second example. Very easy again. Again, it is an AI feature, the artificial intelligence visual feature, which is readily available within desktop. Okay. See here you have insert question and Q&A. Okay. This is one AI visual artificial intelligence visual which is readily available within desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop, you can get it. So you can click on this, or you can double click on your canvas. Okay, it will launch you the question and answer visual. Okay, see here in the visualization pane, it is showing you that Q&A visual. So what is Q&A visual? It is simple, very simple visual where it works on the artificial intelligence within the data set, whatever we have in Power BI desktop, and it tries to fetch our answer to our question, okay, within the our data sets. All right. So here example, let us see the same example. We want to see, let's say, top 10. It is Q&A. You ask the question to the Power BI data set, okay, and it will fetch you the result. Okay. So top 10 product. You see, while you are typing, it gives you more suggestions also. So that is how it is. The AI function works within Power BI. It gives you automatically the suggestions also. All right. So top 10. Let's say product by. You just type in. You just keep typing, and you get that the reply. Okay. Top 10. Total sales. Okay, it is showing by total sales now. Let us see by. Let us see top again. We can see top 5 country by total sales. Okay, you just have to type. Okay, it will show. It will take you automatically. It will try to fetch this. Fetch the relevant visual. Okay, here we are talking about country, so automatically see how the artificial intelligence is working. Here we are talking about country, so it is fetching automatically that visual. Okay, for you. Okay, whatever most related visual, it will automatically try to fetch it and get your insight related to that particular visuals. Okay. Here example, you can just, if you find that it is okay, you can just click on that and it will turn that your question and answer to the visual, and it is that simple that your visual is ready. Okay, so that's the Q&A visual for you guys.